This is what I'm looking for. On Nasdaq, I think we might be selling here, but I cannot really make a prediction now. The market can go either way, but the way I see it, we might have a perfect selling opportunity. So that's it about the order block. So let's just analyze the market for this coming week. For Nasdaq, I think we are covered. USDT, like I said, high pressure candles. F1 here. And you can do this on any time frame. I just like to draw mine on the daily time frame. Here's the other one that I can reference. And we had this liquidity here which got taken out. So on USDT, I'm thinking of a sell as well, but we are pretty much closer to that order block. It might go up and trigger that order block before it can sell, but for USDT, I'm thinking of a sell for this coming week. So we'll just have to wait and see how it plays out. So yeah, this is the order blocks for USDT for the coming week. Gold. This one I did an analysis on the previous week, and I was looking at this order block as I mentioned on the video. If you can just go back on my channel and check my videos, you would see that I was kind of looking at this area. So it finally came. So I think I might be selling gold this coming week. Yeah, I think I'm going to be selling gold because we had liquidity here which got taken out, so there are no longer sellers, so we should be good for a sell. There's another one. What do we have? I think we have this one. So this is the area of interest. So we just don't trade the market anyway. We just that's why I really like trading order blocks, is that it gives you a picture of where the market is going, rather than just opening up the chart and then just trading without having a plan. So for gold this coming week, I'm looking for a sell because we had a liquidity here which got taken out, and then we are inside of the order block, so I'll be looking for a sell. So AUD USD, this one I also did an analysis on, but I did my analysis on MetaTrader. So MetaTrader really sucks. It doesn't, sometimes it deletes all your objects when you do the analysis, and then you have to start over and over. That's why I'm using TradingView today. So I had that one. So yeah, this one, but I didn't really trade it. I only trade Nasdaq. So this one I just do it for the people who would want maybe an analysis on these pairs. The one that I trade is Nasdaq and USDT. These ones, the currency pairs are just for you guys. I don't really trade them. But when there is no signal on Nasdaq and USDT, that's when I just look at this pairs and then trade sometime. So for AUD USD, that's where we are. I'm also thinking of a sell, but before we can sell, I think maybe the market can just come inside of this order block a little bit, and then maybe in the middle of this order block, and then finally sell off. But yeah, we'll have to see, because it already touched the order block twice, and then it closed on a selling candle. So we will have to wait and see how it plays. But at the moment, it's looking good for a sell. But on Monday, market might open up with a gap, so we'll just have to wait and see. AUDGPY. This one is kind of ranging. Let me just skip it. And for GBP USD, this one, I think I don't see. Okay, this liquidity, so we'll just have to wait on Monday and see if this market continue to go up. But the way I think it might play out is that it takes out liquidity and then reverses. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see, because I don't really see high momentum candles, so that's why I don't want to draw order blocks from this pair, GBP USD. But overall, I'm seeing a sell. So USD JPY, what do we have here? What do we have? It's just a small other block here. So I'm thinking, but I don't think this one is gonna hold. Thinking maybe we coming for this liquidity right there, and another one. So we have 3 areas of interest. We have this order block, liquidity, and on the upside we have this order block, this one here, and this one. And that one at the top, and the fair value gap, So yeah, guys, that's it from me, and let's just meet in the coming week, and then let's print some money, guys. I'm out.